Hi, my name is Sabrina, and today we're going to make a bunny house. I felt bad when I saw this bunny outside of our house. It looked really cold. I think the bunny has been here for a while.
Ooh-wee!
We aren't sure if the bunny is a boy or a girl, but we're calling it Grace. I like Grace because one of my favorite YouTubers, just from Let's Game It Out, always names a video character Grace. Dad thought it was a good name because of Grace Hopper. She is one of the pioneers of computer programming. I looked up rabbits on Wikipedia to learn how they stay warm. One interesting fact I learned is that bunnies use their ears to help adjust their body temperature. When bunnies are hot, blood carries body heat into the ears. The heat is then transferred into the air. That's why Grace has her ears tight against her body. She is cold. We never did build anything with the styrofoam we had left over from Christmas. I thought we could use that to build Grace's home, so I decided to make my own design. The foam cutting tool we built in a previous video was not deep enough for our leftover styrofoam, so Dad built a larger foam cutter out of wood. There was just one problem with it. Daddy?
Nice. Let's watch Daddy's fingers closely on this one. Nice.
Yeah.
Squared that off pretty good, didn't we?
There we go.
Just go straight down with it. Nice.
Log here. Wah-wah.
It's alright, it should work. Oh, did we get a little off on it? Oh, well, you look upset about this. Here's how we solve that. We're going to break this guy out.
Oh, yeah.
And let's get our fancy square. Now you're going to want to cut this really straight. Can we do it this way? Wait a minute. Hold on. I guess you got it.
Oh, I missed the line.
Perfect. Nice. So what are you drawing?
Door.
Maybe make that a little bit bigger. He'll definitely fit through there.
Door. Door.
All right, Dora.
Dora. Everybody dance now. Dora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer. Whoa. Oh. Okay. That works. I am going to do the windows.
Okay.
You see, I drawn on the styrofoam bunny ears. So now I'm going to cut it out with this.
What's the matter? Oh my, that bunny got a nick out of his ear. And see, Dad's not perfect either, right? At least that's what Mom says all the time.
Go. I make a little hole. Do that. Put the...
This one from the top of the roof to about the middle of the bunny ear is about 7.5 inches. So we could just use this to make a little mark at about 7.5 inches here. So this point right here needs to line up with that dot. Do you want to try and move it to there?
This is dark blue, light blue. It's like looking on a person's bald head. You see here, there are windows here, and there's a carrot here, and there's blushes right here, and we haven't made a welcome sign or a mat inside. Those are 2 things we need to do.
Do you want me to help cut it?
Nope, I got it.
What do we got there?
It's a welcome mat.
All right, what's next?
Pillow.
What about just like some sort of bedding material, like straw or sawdust or something, or there's probably wood shavings or something.
Wood shavings!
So what is that stuff for?
It's for to put the bedding in here. For the bunny can have something nice to lay on.
When do we see a bunny?
Yeah.
Think it'll be today or tomorrow or next year?
It'll take some more time.
Yeah. All right. Well, we should probably get out of here so Grace can discover it.
Leave a comment if you think Grace will use her new home. Dad and I had a lot of fun building the bunny house. Thank you for joining us.